morning. My name is Itiris Mayanti. I'm 40 years old. My birthday is 16 November 1984. I'm divorced. I don't have children. I have only one brother, and I'm number one in my family. I come from Subang, West Java of Indonesia. My weight is 70 kg. My height is 150 cm, and I have experience in the first time in Kuwait 3 years from 2001 until 2004, and the second time in Saudi 2 years from 2005 until 2007, and the last time in Dubai 1 year only from 2008 until 2009. My employer have big house, have 3 story, 7 rooms, 7 bathroom. In Kuwait have 7 people, mom, sir, and 5 children. In Saudi have 5 people, mom, sir, and 3 children. In Dubai have 2 people only, grandma and grandfather. I can cook Indonesian food like rendang, chicken opor, soto, nasi lemak, and vegetable oil, and spaghetti noodles. And then my job is do general housework. I want to go to Singapore because I need money and for my family and my future. Okay, thank you, ma'am. See you in Singapore. Bye.